if you are thinking that in this material existence I shall be saved, assisted by my society, friendship, love, country and politics and sociology, no, sir, it is not possible. It's not possible. You have to take care of yourself. Your so-called society, friendship, love, country, nation, and this will never be able to help you because you are under the clutches of Maya. Devi jesa gunamayi mama maya duruttaya prakite kriyamalani gunai karmani sarvasa ahankar vimuratma karta ham miti mannate. You are under the clutches of Maya. You have no independence. Neither anyone has got any independence to save you. That's not possible. The same example as I gave some time, that you learn how to drive aeroplane. So you go high in the sky, but if you are in danger, no other aeroplane can help you. You are finished. Therefore, you must be a very careful pilot to take care of yourself. Similarly, in this material world, everyone individually has to take care of himself, how he can be saved from the clutches of Maya. That is Krishna consciousness movement. A teacher can give you hints, the Acharya can give you hints that you can be saved in this way. But the execution of the duties, that is in your hand. If you perform the spiritual duties rightly, then you are saved. Otherwise, even Acharya gives you instruction, if you don't follow, so how he can save you? He can save you by instruction, by his mercy, as much as possible.